Ingredients: some fresh asparagus, just only the edges, you see, I cut them, only the edge. Nuts, some fresh nuts, some butter, not all of that, we're gonna use some of that, and gnocchi. I'm gonna make 1 kilo of gnocchi, I must say, because my sister is coming to eat here, so salt and a little bit, very little onion. Let's go. Water is boiling. I put some salt, so add your asparagus inside for at least, I do that for 15 minutes, cover it for 15 minutes. And don't throw the water, because in this water we will cook our gnocchi, we will boil our gnocchi after. Meanwhile the asparagus are cooking, smash your nuts, not mine, not yours, these nuts, like that, you know, this way, these sides, let's go like that, yeah, carry on until you finish all of them, a little bit, yeah, there we go, this way, you know, become a little bit, carry on like that, there we go, and gone. Spielberg times or my nuts. I did that, you see, nice pieces. So let's go. After 15 minutes, take off the asparagus and I will cut them in little pieces. Do not throw the water, because we're gonna boil our gnocchi in this green water. Now, in a large pan, melt your butter. I'm gonna use a little bit more of butter because it's 1 kilo of gnocchi, you know. So the butter melted, so add your onions, very little bit of onion, and asparagus. Mix good. Little bit of salt and 3-4 minutes. Cook for 3-4 minutes. The water is boiling, the green water is boiling. Add your gnocchi. And I lost it one, sorry. Let's add more gnocchi. And when they start to float, it means they are ready. Anyway, just 2-3 minutes from the time that start again to boil. Gnocchi time. Here are the gnocchi. Gnocchi time is good. Mix good. Stir good. Yeah. It's very nice. Tell you, this is very great. You must try. You could also add now some gorgonzola cheese. It would be perfect. But this will be next, another recipe. At this point, it's already great like that. Start to add your nuts. You see? Mix. Mix good. Bit for medium fire. Medium fire. I don't like to fry the nuts. I like to feel the taste, you know. I leave them like that. Just a couple of minutes, you know. Here we go. It's ready. It's ready. Spielberg moment. Sorry, but I am the director. Look at that. It's great. Okay, it's finished. Here we go. It's finished. This is the way I cook. I don't care about anybody else. Subscribe to the channel if you like. See you in the next recipe. Ciao.